That is simple, guys. And then is after 1 hour. Yummy, yummy. Hi, eat. Let's eat and time to taste. Afternoon, guys. It's almost 3:30, guys. I'm going to make family dinner. So I have one whole chicken, guys. Kinat-cut ko na lang ng into two. Yan. And like this. And then, cut natin dito para madali siyang maluto. Cut is like this. It's still frozen. But, i-marinate lang natin, guys, parang maluto siya. Just like this. So, ang gawin natin, we're going to marinate. Mag-additional lang tayo little bit oil, guys. Parang didikit yung ingredients. So, ito na mga spices ginamit ko. Curry, garlic powder, chili powder, paprika powder, and salt and pepper. So, i-mix lang natin ito, guys. Mix all this together, then all this ingredient. Yan. And then, i-rub lang natin dito sa chicken natin. I-rub natin. Ganun lang, guys. Napakasimple siya. I-rub all the dry ingredient. Ganun din sa kabila. Yan. That is for family dinner. Eat with rice. This one, guys. Ganun lang, guys, parang eat meat yummy yummy. So na-marinate na natin yung ano natin, huli natin. Then marinate all this one. Yan, naka-marinate na siya, guys. Half. Yan. Then i-ano natin sa ano din, ganun din. Parang mag-absorb yung ano niya, guys. Dapat i-set aside natin in 30 minutes. But lulutuin ko na siya kaagad, guys. So, ganun lang siya. And ano lagi natin dito ilagay. And then put here this one. Lagay natin dito, guys. Meron akong baking pan na maliit. And then lagyan ko ng resistor sa ilalim with aluminum foil. And then put here. And then like that. Yan. Madali siya, dahil ang masarap ito. Tasty yummy. And then, i-grill na natin ito. Na-ready na yung oven and grill this chicken. So, that is my grilled chicken, guys. Na-marinate na. And then, i-grill na natin in 40 minutes in oven. My grilled chicken! Yummy, yummy! Is my grilled chicken, guys, after 1 hour, guys. It's my grilled chicken, eat with rice. So this is my grilled chicken, guys. It already is done. Yes, I am. Yummy, yummy. That is simple, guys. And then is after 1 hour, that is my grilled chicken is done. Cut natin, dahil tikman natin. Tikman natin, guys, yung grilled chicken natin. Cut natin kung luto na ba siya, guys. Yes. Yummy. Hi. Eat. Let's eat and time to taste. Yummy.